the latest. Okay. The latest is I got nails. But you see them better now for some reason. Let's see. They're bunny rabbit crossbones. This is my last resort. Oh, you probably can't hear that. And what if I got that as a tattoo? Right. Those of you who are smart and watch anime should know what that is. For those of you who are stupid and don't, it's a soul eater symbol. Oh! That's so special. Try not to make this video as long as my others, so it's probably gonna end up being really long now because I'm trying to find this song. There, found it. Whew. Yeah, this video's already long. I've done most of my videos, so. So, if I watch Soul Eater, this is the soul. It's the soul of the soul. So what I just said is the lamp of linked souls guides you to your heart. Something. Okay. Before I said the fluky passion, I said people who don't look into each other's eyes now fight side by side or something like that. Yeah, I'm smart because I watch cartoons, and that's in the English translation subtitle, and that's all I know. But I know the song. I just can't translate it to English.